100 lampposts were placed at an equal distance of y meters apart. Find the distance between the first and the last lamppost. So that would be the first lamppost and the last one, which is 100 lampposts. Now again, if you watch my previous video, like right just before this video, I would have taught you the method on how to conceptualize it. I'm going to use the easy method. Let's say the lamppost, instead of drawing 100, I'm just going to draw maybe like 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I ask, find the distance between the first and the last lamppost? The first and last lamppost, right? How many spaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In working form, how do you get 5 spaces? You take this one minus this one. Take the first one minus the last one, and therefore you're going to get 5, right? So 5 spaces. Using the same analogy as here, I'm going to do it. I'm going to use it over here. 100 lampposts, right? So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 99, 100. Okay, so how many spaces are there in between? Using this one, I'm using the last number minus the first number. So take 100 minus 1. That will give me 99. So there are 99 spaces in between. And each space is y meters apart. So since I have 99 spaces, I'm going to take 99 multiplied by y, giving me 99y. Okay, so your answer will be 99y. Again, for parents who are watching this, I already taught you the simple analogy method. You have to use a simpler analogy and using the same concept and use it on the more difficult question. Okay, done.